What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today this video is not skincare related, grooming, beauty, fashion, nothing along those lines. Maybe it's tech, but simply I just wanted to come on this video today and give you guys a thank you. I've been doing YouTube probably for 2 years now, and consistently for 2 years. It's not easy. It is not easy at all for those of you guys that create content and have a full-time job and a relationship and family, and you take care of your well-being. You know that creating content requires a lot. Patience, editing, creating, marketing, being consistent with your audience, and just so much. Today I made a purchase that I said I was not going to cry on this, but I made a purchase that I've always wanted.
Babe, are you happy, right?
Yes, I am very happy.
Babe.
My partner is asking if I'm okay because I promised I was not going to get emotional during this, but I've made a purchase of something that I've wanted for the longest time that's going to help benefit and make my life easier. Because for the last 2 years I've been using a computer that's, you guys, this is, I don't even know how the heck I've been using this. I've been using this dinosaur right here. It might look pretty, this is a Dell computer, but honestly this thing tortured me for so long. Took forever to load videos, to render and save a project and add sound to, and I was using Pinnacle Studios as my video editing software. Nothing against them, but this computer made things so much more difficult for me than it should have, which is one of the reasons why I've only put out like a video or two a week. Aside from like the stuff I mentioned before about like having a full-time job and everything, I enjoy making videos. I enjoy creating content for you guys, sharing my experience, my honest approach at skincare and beauty and all things related to that. So today I'm gonna get into it, guys. I'm dragging this out, but I'm extremely happy and grateful and thankful for those of you guys that follow me along on this journey. And I made a purchase, this is huge, oh God, of a new computer. Guys, this is so necessary, you have no idea. Like, I'm a mess, but honestly this is something that I've seriously been in the need for and wanting for so freaking long. This is, what model is this? 27-inch Mac with Retina 5K display. This came out of my pockets. This is not anything other than a reward to myself and something that I've been wanting for so long. So, like I said in the beginning, I want to come on here and thank you guys that follow me on this journey and watch my videos and just sincerely enjoy my content, because I create everything as a hobby for fun and I want to keep doing this for you guys. And now that I actually have a good computer, it's gonna be so much easier on my life and less stressful. So I'm very excited to see what's gonna happen with using this. And I was gonna do an unboxing. Should we do an unboxing? I don't know. This is a tech situation here. I don't really do tech products on my channel, but maybe we will open it up. This is my first ever Mac computer, and I also spoiled myself and got AirPods. Basic, right? But I've never purchased a Mac computer, and the reason why I got that Dell computer is because it looks similar to this, and I like the same vibes. And oh my gosh, how do you even open this? But yeah, I never had a Mac product except for the iPhone, which is like, everyone has one of them these days, right? Alright, so we open it up there. This was not cheap, but I'm hoping it's worth every penny. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm getting Apple Air in my system right now. I'm loving it. Okay, what is the most safe way to open this? Sure, this is the keyboard right here, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is a project. So I'm going to set this up, get everything all ready, and I will film an outro once I have this all together, guys. But thank you so much. You have no idea how much I am grateful for this purchase and for my hard work and for you guys following me along on this journey. So please keep on watching, enjoy, and I love you guys so much. Alright guys, we are good. My computer is set up. Look how beautiful it looks. Seriously, this is like the computer of my dreams. You have absolutely no idea. Like I said, this is my first Mac Apple computer ever, so it's gonna take a lot getting used to. And iMovie, I've only used iMovie when editing stuff through like my iPhone, so it's definitely gonna be a project, but something I'm completely willing to adapt to, and I'm sure is just gonna make my life a whole lot easier. I also am using a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mouse pad. Wait till you see this. Some rabbit fur, no big deal. Just a little rabbit fur. Don't come for me, PETA. Seriously though, that is real rabbit fur. I got it from Hobby Lobby, so if you want to come for anyone, come for them. It was like $5. Again guys, thank you so much for watching my channel, for following me along on this YouTube journey. And if you did enjoy this video, this unboxing, this moment of appreciation, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly, hopefully more than once or twice a week now. And give my Instagram a follow if you'd like. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.